Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn about sorting arrays and associative arrays. So sort will be for ascending, okay, and R sort will be for descending. So you probably know this from MySQL, or if you have done, you probably are done something in Excel. Remember ascending and descending, like from 0 to 10 and from 10 to 0, something like that. So this is for normal arrays, and then we have additional 4 functions for associative arrays. Yeah, I know it's too much to remember, but it's just to know that it's just nice to know that you can use it if you need it, but rarely you will do this because you will probably do sorting on a level of database, right? But still we need to know these things, you know, at least like generally. So fruits and array, bananas and oranges and apples and what else? Grapes, uppercase G, I always forget that. So now we need to have a way to extract those things, and we will use for each. So for each from fruits as well x, and we will just print that thing. That's pretty much simplest possible operation. Element x and break, and that's pretty much it. So let me see what's up. Let me see what I'm doing here. Fruities, yeah, fruits, and now the thing will work, right? But we also need to have 2 of those because we will have operation, we will have situation before sorting and after sorting. So we need that vertical distinguish thing, like echo and br and then hr and br, and that's pretty much it. So let me see what else we need to have. Oh yeah, here we need to have before, situation before and situation after. So let's copy paste that down there, and I think we are cool now. So let me see. So here's the thing. See this? This is our manual ordering from here, so it's totally on us. And now when we use sort, let's say here, then of course this will remain same and this will be changed. Order of it will be changed. So what is the target here? Fruits, and that's it. Okay, you don't need to put this thing into any kind of variable. This is just a function that will do changes on a spot. So refresh, and there you go. So see, A, B, and so on and so on. So this is for ascending order, okay? And descending order R sort. So the situation right now is opposite, totally opposite. So that was for normal array. Let's mess around with associative arrays, like 5 and 2 and I don't know, let's say 56, and grapes, how many of that? Like 25. That's really not important, we are just doing stuff manually. And same example here for each, but we are working with associative arrays. So as key and let's say v, and we will just print those things like echo key and k, comma, values and v, and yeah, break br. So we also need, let me check that first. So that works, and we need that break br hr, and then we'll use this thing down there. So What are the functions? Well, this is weird. There is 4 of them. Let me see. A sort and key sort. That will be for ascending order, okay, ascending. And descending will be AR sort and KR sort. So how to remember these things? Well, here you have smaller amount of letters than here, and also in ASC you have smaller amount of letters than in DSC. Okay, so maybe that's an analogy, you can use it, but don't torture yourself with this, because if you need it, if you really need it, you're gonna find that on internet as examples and so on. So don't torture yourself. Right, so this A sort is for ascending sort by value, and this K means ascending sort by key, and same analogy down there. So let me just type that. Right, so where I was, A sort, target is fruits. Okay, and now this, yeah, so let's refresh. So there you go. See, so we are doing stuff based on value, and value here is right side. So when you are ascending things based on value, you are going from a smaller number to bigger number. Okay, and now we want to do opposite stuff, and now we can use AR sort. Okay, so AR sort, also fruits, but then we need to put this function out of service, and now we will get opposite thing for values. Okay, so here will be 56 and down there will be 2, because when you have A here, we are working with values, with right side. See? Okay, ascending sort by key, so left side. So we will just type K sort. Okay, and now down there in the left side in keys, thing will be done alphabetically, like A, B, and so on and so on. So let me check that. Right, so that works. So now you're not paying attention to numbers. Who cares about numbers when we are sorting about keys? Keys are important, left sides, and they are sorted by ascending order. Okay. So descending order. So O will be at the top, L and A will be totally down. So you just say KR. Okay. And now again, we are not caring about values. We are dealing with keys, right? Yeah, I do know that it's goddamn confusing, but it's PHP, you know. In PHP, a lot of stuff are like, damn it. So refresh, and there you go. Now, please note, don't torture yourself with this example. Don't try to memorize these things. Don't even write this into some kind of textbook or something. You have these examples all over the place on internet. Reason why I have this tutorial is I just want you to know that if you need sorts, you can do that in your code, but most of the time you will do that already on level of database. So yeah, don't torture yourself. Thank you for watching and see you next tutorial.